Hey guys, it is the 13th of December and today I want to try this Ruger. What is it? Pin tumbler, yes, good. I love gun locks, really love them. Alright. That's too big. I don't think that's gonna work. See, that should work. I'm not sure if I showed the bitting. Quite flat. Alright. I'm gonna start from the back on this one. Okay, I'm not sure what happened, but it is open though. And I'm gonna take it. It's going to the tree, but I still want to try that again because I there we go. I pretty much just went in and lifted everything because I wanted to feel where everything were, and then it just opened. Okay. It's easier to start from the front and go in than starting from the back and out. That's what I figured now. Alright. Rake rock zip, let's see what works. Well, rocking works. Raking not so much. Zipping not so much. Rocking and SPP works very well. Alright. I can't get the key in there. And it is Ruger. Why won't you go in there? Can't use those keys for anything. That was also the wrong tensioner. Just see if we can just quickly. If not, then I'm gonna do this off camera afterwards. Why don't you want... There you go. Alright, let's get it on the tree now. I'm just gonna move around on the locks a little now. So we can have this there, because that's the longest spot between two nails. So just move that one from here down there. Very nice. 13 locks on the tree. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this not as quick video as the last few have been. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.